Welcome to the CSU Writing Center. The purpose of this video is to tell you how to create a Writing Center account and how to schedule your first appointment. You can click on any of the Make an Appointment links on the Writing Center page. They all go to the same destination. If you already have an account, you can log in at this point. If you do not yet have an account, you will need to click on Register for an Account, which is circled in red. Fill out the form to create your account, making sure to include all fields marked with a red asterisk. Once you have created your account and logged in, you will see a schedule that looks like this. If you are looking to make an online or e-tutoring appointment, make sure that online or e-tutoring is listed next to the name of the tutor you are requesting, as shown in red here. If the tutor does not have anything listed next to his or her name, that tutor is only available for face-to-face appointments. Any of the rectangles in white or light gray are available appointment times. Click on the rectangle corresponding to your desired appointment time. The default appointment length is 30 minutes, but if you would like an hour-long appointment, simply change the end time for your appointment at the top of the page. Face-to-face appointments are also the default. So if you would like an online or e-tutoring appointment, indicate that through the drop-down menu circled in red. You can upload a file of your draft at the bottom of the form. For face-to-face appointments, we can open the file on the Writing Center iPad or computers and look at it with you. You may also bring a hard copy to your appointment if you would prefer. For e-tutoring appointments, make sure to cut and paste the assignment guidelines from your professor, as well as to upload the file of your draft. You can upload your file at the end of the appointment creation process, or you can add the file at any point until the beginning of your appointment by clicking on your appointment time on the schedule. If you have scheduled an online appointment, click on your appointment time on the schedule and click Start or Join Online Consultation, also circled in red here. For online appointments, this is the screen you will see after joining the consultation. Simply paste the text of your essay in the whiteboard, and the tutor will begin chatting with you about it. To highlight a portion of text, the most effective method is to cut and repaste it. Then the tutor will be able to see the highlights you have made. For any of our 3 types of appointments, if no appointments are currently available at the times when you are free, you may add yourself to the Writing Center waiting list. We often have appointment cancellations, so it's worth the extra step. To join the waiting list, click on the clock icon to the left of the date for which you are adding yourself. Thank you for your interest in the Writing Center, and we hope to see you soon.